How to put apps on desktop Windows 11. So if you want to put any application on your desktop Windows 11, click on the Start button in Select Settings Now. Once the settings page loads, scroll down and click on Personalization. Once you selected Personalization, just scroll down the page. Click on Teams Now. Once you selected Teams, scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. Now, once you click on that, should see a pop-up then on this pop-up. You should see desktop icons to add or put tabs on desktop on Windows 11. All you need to do is select the H you want to add. Then once you selected it here, then go ahead and click on Apply. Then you should see the H added to the desktop. If you want to add network, check it under Desktop Icon and click on Apply. Then you should see the network at the top here. Then at the same time, if you want to add control panel, select it. Click on ADD and then click on OK. Now, if you want to add any application you installed on your Windows 11 to your Windows 11 desktop, click on the Start button, select All. Now scroll down, locate the H you want to have desktop, let's say the Maps app, then track the application to your desktop like this. Now you can open the application on your Windows desktop.